Hello. I'm a bit tired, unmotivated, and a little scared because we are going to start cutting pipe. It has taken me the better of the past 30 minutes to mark this out. So let me go plug the saw in, get it cut, and we see where we sit with this one. Custom work. As far as I got, need to still get the piece coming down here. I need to cut that out and have to widen this one. Time to finally cut into this and keep running piping. I got the straps with the intercooler. I need to bolt those up also, but I'm gonna get this piece dropped down first and then we can go from there. And this thing's still glittering. Look at that. All right, now hole is cut. I probably should take this bottle out, but it's not really in the way too much. So I need to put this in to see exactly where I'm cutting it at. Never done this before. It's bound to be a lot of mistakes. So I could have swore that this intercooler was 3-inch, and I decided to go 3-inch down to 2.5. But now I'm seeing it's probably not, because these are 3-inch T-bolt clamps and it won't even fit. Got a coupling on there, and this is what I end up with. So I'm gonna keep trying though. If not, I'll just put a regular clamp on it for now, because I want to try and get the passenger side lined up, mark the pipes, and then I can get them to the welder. All right, guys. Driver side is pretty much mocked up. Now I'll just gotta translate that into hard pipe. Only place I want couplings to be is here, here, and here. Right now, there's a coupling going through the hole from that pipe. There's another coupling here, but then there's a little 5-inch piece of pipe down there going up. So I need to get that pipe welded to this one, and then just have the coupling come down from the top. Passenger side is kicking my tail. If you see that angle, it's just not right. It needs to be over that way. So if I gotta make a bracket to hold it in place, because it needs to, I still need to cut the piece going down, so 90 down into here, and then pretty much a 45 going out towards the front of the car. So I'm gonna call that a video. It is frustrating the hell out of me. I just need to stop, think about it for a while. At least the driver's side is done. I just need to take everything, mark it, get it to a welder, and that side is done. Then we can get on to the exhaust. Passenger side, not so much. Still got some work to do. So, appreciate you guys watching, staying along with this journey. It's gonna get done one day. Believe you me, it will. I am anxious as hell to get it done. I know y'all wanna see it on the road. So, we're getting there. Appreciate y'all watching. As always, please come back, subscribe if you haven't as yet. Drop a comment, thumbs up, Let's get me the algorithm, get these views up. All right, so your boy can show this to the world. Love y'all.